Today I'm walking you through how I got this cool hairstyle. Whether you're going to a festival in your city or a concert or something fun like that. And it's super easy, so you can whip this together really quick. So for this hair look, I partnered with Keracare, and to start off the look, you want to make sure that you wash and condition your hair. I started with the Keracare cleansing cream, and I used this as my shampoo. I applied this to my hands and I rubbed it together, and I made sure to work it into a lather before rinsing it out. Then I went ahead and conditioned my hair, and after I rinsed out the conditioner, I used the deep moisturizing mask. So when I use this, I always make sure to put on a plastic cap, or really a Walmart bag or a Target bag on my head, so that the heat penetrates my strands and it makes sure that they're super soft and easy to style after I rinse it out. And then I did a twist out. I will leave a link in the corner of this video if you guys want to check out how I do my twist outs, but I went ahead and twist my hair. And then after a few days, I wanted to do something different, so I did this hairstyle. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys. I really hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get into it. With this hairstyle, you want to section off your hair into 3 sections. So I'm just going to continue. I'm going to go ahead and put them in a ponytail, but we're gonna make them way cuter at the end. And this one I'm gonna do like at an angle, I guess. So this one's gonna be the biggest one. I may end up having to do 4 just because I have a lot of hair, like 4 sections. And as you get towards like the back of your head, you're definitely gonna need a mirror so you can see to make sure they are straight. Not straight enough. So I got the second one. The hardest thing about this is like time consuming, the fact that it's time consuming and you want to make sure you get them cute. So, but it's not hard at all. So you can definitely do this. I know you can. So I'm going to do 2 more. I think I can fit 2 more on my head. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, where's my comb? Here we go, ready. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Keracare hair milk, and I love this. So I'm going to take this and, oh wait, before I put that in my hand. I'm going to take down each section and apply some of the hair milk, just a little bit. Okay, I got more than a little bit. And I'm going to apply it to the edges so I can slick it up into a pretty sleek pony, as sleek as we're gonna get it. At the same time, I'm going to kind of finger comb it to work the product in and help it smooth out. I'm gonna take this brush and really slick up the edges. Make sure you don't mess up the parts that we made. And then we'll just continue to do it for the rest of the sections. Okay, and now I'm going to take some of the Keracare essential oils, and I put a different applicator on it so that it's easier for me to get in my scalp. So I'm just gonna make sure that my parts are nice and oiled up. I love this hairstyle. So this is the completed hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, as well as check out my previous video. I showed you guys how I got my driver's license makeup look, if you want to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.